gearbox for it, just got done running it. Description is combination. It's got the Borla, beautiful polish system. Fuel manager, Terminator X. Got the March, just your alternator, make sure it charges. Custom grind hydraulic. Love the red. Don't have your new covers on there yet. Take you in there and show you it ran. Alrighty, 3,500 and 497 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 541, peaks horsepower 540. So we rated 520. Obviously the Borla helps it out quite a bit. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.